Hello! Welcome to our class, The Mathaholic. Today, we will study about the Gordon Growth Model. So what are we waiting for? Let's start the lesson. What do you already know about Gordon Growth Model? Do you know anything? If not, let's find out. So, the Gordon Growth Model, also called the Dividend Discount Model for Constant Growth, is a financial formula used to calculate the intrinsic value of a stock that pays contants, growing dividends indefinitely. It assumes dividends will increase at a fixed rate forever and that the required rate of return is higher than this growth rate. So here's the formula. PO equals DO open parenthesis plus G close parenthesis over R minus G. So ano bang mga meaning ng formula na to? Here, PO means the stock price at time, and DO, current dividend, D1, the next dividend, and the G, grow rate in dividends. In the R, the required return on the books, and R and G is the last. So here, may question tayo. Ang ating unang question ay, Maria, an investor from Quezon City, is analyzing Ayala Corporation or the AC. AC just paid an annual dividend of 12 pesos per share DO. She expects this dividend to grow at a constant rate of 5% per year. Maria's required rate of return for a stall company like AC is 8%. So, gamit yung formula na sinabi natin last time, ganito natin siyang kukunin. Firstly, kunin mo natin yung mga given. So, RDO is 12 pesos. Then, RG is 5%. Then, pag nilagay mo siya sa formula, gagawin natin siyang 0.05. Take note, dapat laging 0.05 dahil pag mahirapan tayo pag nilagay natin siya ng 5%. Well, pwede naman kung sanay ka, pero mas recommend na 0.05 natin siya laging gagawin. And RR is 8% and gagawin natin siya katulad ng 5% na 0.05. Nalagay na natin siya sa formula na ginamit natin. 12 pesos 1 plus 0.05 over 0.08 minus 0.05. First, kukunin muna natin yung nasa parenthesis and yung sa baba. 1 plus 0.05 is equals to 1.05 and 0.08 minus 0.05 is equal to 0.03. Then dito, hindi pa tayo tapos dahil need pa natin silang ipag-multiply. So, 12 pesos or 12 times 1.05 is equal to 12.60. Then, i-divide natin siya sa 0.03. Ang sagot natin ngayon is 420 pesos. So, therefore, the intrinsic value of PO of 1 share of AC stock according to Maria's estimate is 420 pesos. Yes naman, ang galing-galing natin at nasagot natin ang ating question number 1. Question number 2 naman tayo guys. At dito sabi niya, Jose is considering buying stock in Meralco for his retirement portfolio. He forecasts that Meralco will pay a dividend of 18 pesos next year. He assumed this dividend will grow steadily at 4% annually. If the required rate of return is 7%, what is the maximum price he should be willing to pay for her Mer stock today? Ang ating D1 is 18 pesos. Important note lang that this is D1 not DO to use the formula. So, kailangan nating hanapin yung DO muna first. So, RG is 4%, R 7%. Since D1 equals to DO, we can arrange to solve for DO. Firstly, DO equals D1 plus 1 plus G. Over yan guys, and lalagay natin siya na 18 pesos over 1 plus 0.04 is equal to 18.00 over 1.0 is equal to 17.13 pesos. So, we need to calculate the PO. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Kasi need pa natin siyang gamitin sa formula na ginamit natin last time. Kasi kanina hindi nawawala yung DO. So, ginamit din muna natin siya ng D1. Here dito, nilagay natin yung answer natin na 17.31. So, unahin muna natin yung nasa parenthesis and yung nasa baba. So, 1 plus 0.04 is equal to 1.04 and 0.07 minus 0.04 is equal to 0.03. Hindi pa tayo tapos, may last pa. 17.31 times 1.04. Yung sagot natin kanina, times na natin and answer niya is 18.00. Then, itidivide natin siya sa 0.03. At ang total natin ay 600 pesos. So, the final answer, therefore, the maximum price of sale should be willing to pay for more stock today is 600 pesos. Ayan, nasagot na natin lahat. And we're done, guys. Very good. So, balikin natin ng magsaganang palakpak ang ating mga sarili dahil nasagot natin to at natapos natin. I guess sana may natutunan po kayo and thank you for watching!